Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Goodnotes AI app not working in Goodnotes in 2026. Is Goodnotes AI not working? If your smart features aren't responding, don't worry. Here's exactly how to fix it just by following some few simple steps. Now before we start, if you want to download the Goodnotes application, you can find this in the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. And if you're planning on downloading and installing the Goodnotes application on your computer, you can head to the website Goodnotes and click on the download button, and here you're gonna see this drop down menu where you can find options like iOS, which directs you to the Apple Store, the Mac, which downloads the version for the MacBook, and the Windows, which download the exe file, and also the Android, which directs you to the Play Store, and the web if you want to use the web version on your web browser. Now once you download the application and finish installing it, you're gonna make sure to log in with your account. Then to fix the Goodnotes AI not working, the first thing you wanna know is that Goodnotes AI requires a premium version that gives you a credit or an unlimited access to the AI version, because the free version doesn't give you only unlimited access to the AI version, which is countable by month. So in order to access the AI, you're gonna check your internet connection. Then you're gonna make sure you have access to AI features in Goodnotes. That means you're gonna pay for the premium version. As you can see here, you can click on this icon right here to have the AI feature. As you can see here, it says couldn't process your request because you're out of AI credits. Now in the free version you have a limited AI credits, but in the premium version you have a lot of features. Now after you do that, make sure to log in and log back out, then update the app to the latest version. Now AI features require internet, so check your subscription and try again after installing. AI issues are usually connection or access related, and that's it. Follow these steps and you'll get everything working in no time. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.